Hey CWA family, I am April Jackson, beautifully and wonderfully made, and today I'm going to show you all, we're going to work on party favors, and we're going to start off by making stickers. And we're going to make stickers for lollipops. I got these lollipops from Hobby Lobby. They were, how many in the pack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 12 in the pack for $3.99. So we're gonna put stickers on these. It's my baby's 5th birthday. Little Mr. Sunny, that's my middle baby. It's her 5th birthday, so we're gonna put stickers on these. We're having a birthday party at daycare. So this is the design that we are going to be using. This is my baby girl. I use the app, let me think, what's the name of the app that I use? It's Tune something. I look it up and then I put it in the description what app I use. But I use the app, it's Toon something, to make her look like a cartoon character. She was supposed to look like a Barbie. She's supposed to look like a Barbie, but she looked more just like a cartoon character of herself. What my stuff falling? But so this is the design that I made. So this is what we're gonna use to make our stickers. We're gonna size this down, and I am in CRICUT design space. We're gonna size this down to 1.5 by 1.5. And then we're gonna put a rectangle behind it and try to put as many on the rectangle as possible so we can get our circles cut. So we can get our circles cut out for us to make our stickers. Okay, so what I did was I put a circle on top of it. And I sized it where it's directly over it. So CRICUT Design Space on the iPad, it do show you when it's centered. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click it and then I'm gonna press into the back and I'm gonna change the circle to probably white, either white or pink. I'm gonna change the color and then I'm gonna flatten it. So it'll be a flattened image so we can print it out. Pretty small right now, but that's how it looks. I have my white circle behind it, have it flattened, and now we're gonna duplicate it because we need 24 of them. All right, so I flattened my image. I press make it. I changed the amount to 24. And as you can see on the 20 fit on here, I'm see can I slide them other 4 on here. You don't have to mirror it because they're stickers. So now I'm gonna see can I fit the other 4 on here. If not, I'm just gonna print them out and then we're gonna press next and we're gonna print them out on our printer. We print these on our regular HP printer. So you're pretty, not HP, you don't have to have an HP, I'm sorry. Your regular inkjet printer. I have an HP, but you're gonna print it on your regular inkjet printer. Now let me see, can I move these other 4 on here? Cause no need of wasting paper. It's not gonna let me move it. I guess it don't let you do that when you using vinyl, I guess. Well, anyway, well, since we can't move it, we're gonna go ahead and print off our 20 and then we'll print the 4 afterwards. And I am using, I'm gonna show y'all the paper that I'm using for the stickers. I am using ASUB glossy sticker paper. ASUB glossy sticker paper. I wasn't able to record because my iPad was acting up and I had to use my phone. So we printed off our stickers on our inkjet printer and then we put it on our mat and I let our mat cut around the sticker. So this is how it looks once it's cut. And we're just gonna peel our stickers off like so. And then we're gonna put them on our suckers. We're just gonna lay it on our suckers. Cute, cute, cute. Like so. And we're gonna do it to all 24. I don't know what's going on today, y'all. Like literally none of my printers will work. My sublimation printer is, I guess it's clogged because it's coming out gray. My regular inkjet printer keeps doing this. So for the sticker, I'm gonna have to cut these. I'm gonna have to cut these by hand because it's not fair that I have 20 stickers and then four suckers don't have stickers. So we're gonna make do with what we have. But yeah, so that's basically what we do to put stickers on suckers. So you can add that if you do party favors. You can add this. And if you're just doing it for your child, like how I'm just doing it for my daughter, cute little thing. So she'll have these at daycare today with some other things. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. My name is April. I'm your craft tutor. Please hit that like button, share, and subscribe. I thank you for joining. And like I said, if you have any questions, ask your questions in the comment section. Remember that you are absolutely amazing.